how to enable or disable Message Sandboxing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on disable Message Sandboxing. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable this feature. So here, when I turn it off, it will enable Message Sandboxing, whereas if I switch on the toggle button, it will disable Message Sandboxing. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you do not have developer options, you need to go into About Phone and then scroll down and tap on software information. Then tap on the build number 7 times. After 7 times tapping on the build number continuously, it will activate the developer mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.